Get some more August planting in. Hi, welcome to my garden. In between raindrops, let's get some planting in. I was going to try these radishes. Got a nice little bed right here. And this soil is just beautiful underneath the mulch. I'll just put a couple rows in right here. These grow pretty fast. We'll see what we get. Just like everything else, you just pull that mulch back down to bare soil. And you can eat the leaves on these, so we're going to plant them pretty heavy and we'll thin them out as they come up and we'll start eating on them. But their germination rate, the time for germination is pretty short. And it's warm in August, so these will come up really quickly. I'm doing a little more than roost stout. I mean, I am giving them a little soil contact, light little cover, simply because I do expect it to get warm again. We want to make sure we retain the moisture. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of mulch and put back over it. It's going to rain some more today, so we don't even need to water these in. Okay, so we got some radishes in. Like I'm telling you, the radishes grow really fast. Look how quickly we just planted these the other day. I'm taking that on in for lunch. We got summer squash up that we just planted a couple days ago. We've got a little space on this trellis that we had peas in earlier this year. And I'm going to go ahead and put some more peas in. I'm just going to pull that back, expose that soil. I'm planting them pretty close to right under the wire, so they'll be able to grab on as soon as they come up. And I have found that you can plant peas pretty close together. We've got a pretty nice harvest of peas already this year. But it's one of our favorite foods. Whatever you plant, you want to plant what you want to eat. I'm going to give these a little more soil contact and a light little layer of mulch. Help retain that moisture. And that's how you plant in the deep mulch. And we've got flowers on the black diamond watermelon we planted the last part of June. But we got more rain on its way. I'm extremely happy that I'm able to take advantage of a little cool weather and some rain to get some seeds in. And the carrots we planted in the heat, they're doing okay. Even with all the picking and pruning, I still can't keep up with it. I need to get a bucket, but it's going to rain on me. Like I say, even when you take a day off, you're never taking a day off. This cantaloupe is getting very close, but it's still attached pretty good, and this leaf hasn't gone completely brown yet. At this point, with it hanging here, we got to be really careful, because as soon as that starts peeling, it's going to pop right off of there. And you can already see that it's already turning orange. It's getting very, very close. You can do this too, even when you take a day off in the garden. You never take a day off in the garden. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about deep mulch gardening, click that link right there and I'll meet you right back in the garden. If you want to see seeds that you can still plant in August and have a decent harvest, click that link right there and I'll meet you right back in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.